Feeling like your small apartment is shrinking? Don't worry, I've got 5 easy hacks to make your space feel bigger and cozier in no time. Hack number 1. Mirrors are your best friend. Placing a large mirror opposite a window bounces light around, making your space feel twice as big. Bonus tip: go for a statement mirror to add style while opening up the room. Next, think up, not out. Use floating shelves, tall bookcases, or even wall hooks to free up floor space. This trick keeps things organized while making your home feel less cluttered and more spacious. Hack 3. Smart furniture choices. Look for pieces that do double duty, like an ottoman with hidden storage or a foldable dining table. More storage, less mess. It's a win-win. Heavy drapes can make a room feel closed off. Instead, go for sheer, light-coloured curtains and hang them higher than the window frame. This simple trick creates the illusion of taller ceilings and lets in more light. And finally, declutter. Keep only what you truly need and create defined zones, like a cosy work corner or a reading nook. A well-organised space feels instantly bigger and more inviting. Which of these hacks are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. And if you love easy home decor tips, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more.